They have things here.
Yeah, okay.
You can get.
And your smiley face.
Oh, you can do smiley. Gusto ko mag-post at mga picture. Kaibigan ko na police. Ewan ko kung naalala mo kung babae. Yung babae, yung asawa ng nurse. Dalawa silang kaibigan. Ay, Angie. Angie nga ni. Pero bahay na tiya Cebu. Tapos police na si si Bugs. Pumupunta yan sa bahay, kilala yan ni Ma'am. Tapos si Glyza at Glyza yung pangalan. Nurse na siya. Ay, yun mo kung makikilala niya. Familiar man yung Glyza. Nakakanta tira mo pala. Para kauna ito nila manhingi. Dili pa tira mag-asawa, dili pa tira mag-uyab, nakilala ko tira. Oo, nakilala na kita iya. Para kada ito nila pala. My friend, this in Tacloban. My sister wants to meet them. And this one is nurse in Tacloban. This is their case. When I met them, they are not still boyfriend and girlfriend. We are just friend, like. Go to the beach. Yeah, because we're gonna go to Lapu-Lapu.
We're gonna go to Lapu-Lapu?
Yeah, later.
It's fast, right?
Yeah.
Then we will enjoy it here.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just there lang. It's near. Good morning.
Pwede po kumuha ng towel, kuya. Maligo kami. Okay.
No, we have here.
No, there's nothing. Just here na lang.
At the beach we don't have. No, we have.
Yeah.
Yesterday
We took here, right?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thai chart. Oh, okay.
Hi, Thai.
The card so we can
The card, amore.
enter. We can open the door. We need to scan so we can open the door. Everything is scan. Thank you. Uy, nakalimot kapag ko ano mo buhok kimpit, di ba dire pwede mahulos?
May ako dahil.
Okay.
May haircut ako.
Okay.
This one, yung pwede rin.
Good morning po.
Morning.
Good morning.
Coconut, macaron. Ano pa yun? Sago?
Sago.
Sago, gulaman.
Mango sago. And
Binignit,
mango
awan.
sago.
coffee sago was like method coffee. Ice cream coffee.
Hindi mo madam.
Ah.
Parang pwede tayo dyan. There's the ocean something meron.
Maram ka day ha. Hikuan ni Jonathan.
Yeah, that this is for your eyes only.
Yeah. Yeah. But we cannot swim.
Hindi nila kung talaga na nagwa-watching.
I knew that we will hold the blood in the morning.
I don't tomorrow we're going to Tacloban.
For example, we just had 3 days. It is now. I've been better the other way around. So first the
Enough daw ano, taking picture. We have a lot now, didn't upload.
Mag-ano lang ako din, mag-rest lang ako ha. Hindi ako masyado mag-ano kay bang mahulis ako bulo ko.
Sige.
Sika muna lang.
Sige, sige.
Sayang, 3,000 something. I said to my sister, I will just come up, I will do in the pool. Madam, water here na. May susulat to go to the...
Update masawa. Di reton.
I will do in the pool because it's not stable.
Ayaw la pagirayo di dalaw ano di nakakatok daw kala.
I will do it.
Yeah, I can see here. Ano tim towel day? Isugada. Ihapin. So you can ano. Tas kadto kita dito day. Picture mo pa nga na dako madto dito. Pero ba hindi rin pwede.
Hindi yan pakadto kita.
Duwa nim gindara nga ano,
Na ano?
swimsuit.
May daw ako tatlo. Ano, dalawa. Pero ito lang. Gagamitin ko lagi. Kasi ano yung cookies. Ayaw niya lang.
Direya gusto magtupis.
Wala nang memory yung cellphone ko.
Ini damo pa ini 3 hours ah.
Sa gusto mo sa resolution, no?
Or diri magparehas? Aray nga puik. Tinawaan mo lang ako. It's my sister.
Hello.
Ayaw niya
Ayaw ko magbasa ng buhok kasi lagi na lang
nakaano pa lang siya. Ano tiya diary ban?
No, keratin.
Keratin only.
My sister treat me keratin.
Treat me. Saba uy. Your husband. Husband treat you.
Ay, ang ganda ng dito, relaxing. Ang ganda ng hangin.
Mag-relax ka muna. Bawal ma-stress. Right? Where are you, sister? Diba? God. Pwede ka man pumalit at takloban ng memory day. Para may extra ka.
To camera.
Ha? Sige.
Dapat pala nagdala ka ng speaker yung bayo.
Amo nga ni. Waray ka man sumigi.
Ha?
Nagyakan ako ay mo. Nayakan ako ay mo. Pwede mo man ini doon, gamiton mo na siring kaayaw kay mas komportable ka ito.
Hindi ko narinig madam.
Amo naksing nga mo.
Wala ka lang akong speaker.
Amo lagi nayakan ka mas komportable ako inin na.
Ano doon mag-ano tayo? Picture tayo dyan. Amore, picture here. This picture.
Yes.